Okay. I feel like I should have notes for this video, but at the same time, I feel like I'm experienced enough in this topic, and not just experience, but I have enough thought behind it, enough wisdom behind it to where I can wing this. I feel like I can. Okay, this conversation is the birds and the bees. The birds and the bees. And you might think you're too grown for this conversation, but this conversation is for you too. This conversation is for your children. This conversation is for you. And it honestly don't matter how old you are, because everybody is doing it wrong anyway. But this is the birds and the bees conversation that I never got, and that you probably never got also. Sex in itself is not a bad thing. Sex isn't bad at all. Sex is beautiful. Sex outside of marriage is bad. Sex is supposed to be the bonding agent of marriage. The bonding agent of marriage. You were supposed to go through a courtship process with the girl, with the guy that you like. You were supposed to go through a courtship. God, is this person for me? God, can I date this person? He was supposed to give you an okay, like, yes, you can date this person. And then you and this person date with the intention of marriage. And y'all just date, y'all go out, y'all get to know each other. Do I like this person? Yeah, I like this person. You and this person become best friends. And then y'all get married. And then y'all can have sex. Which is the bonding agent of marriage. If you become friends with this person first, right? If y'all like each other without sex, if y'all like each other without that kind of intimacy, which you shouldn't be seeking outside of marriage, if you like this person outside of that, it'll make life easier. It'll make life with this person easier. But we tend to do things in reverse. We tend to do things outside the will of God. So even though I gave you like what feels like the bulk of it, this conversation has just started, really. I don't even know if I'm going to cover all of it in this video, but I'm going to get the bulk of it out. So, outside the will of God, you've been having sex. Anything you get outside the will of God, you have to stay outside the will of God to keep it. Anything you get outside the will of God, you have to stay outside the will of God to keep it. You and this girl get high every day. Y'all smoke every day and y'all have sex every day. When you find God and he doesn't find God, now he wants out of this relationship. When you will no longer break your morals and give him 3 ways, that is the end of your relationship. When you will no longer do drugs and open your gates, open up your spirit to things outside the will of God, when you stop doing that, your relationship will fall apart. What else? Let me think for a second. I think that's everything I wanted to cover. It's probably not. And when I watch this video back, I'm gonna be like, I should have talked about this, but I forgot. Peace out, GG's, deuces. Give me a like. I'm only getting like 1 or 2 likes a video, sometimes 3, sometimes 6. Give me the like. You like the information, don't you? Like the video. Somebody else will like the video, and they not seeing it because you won't give me the likes. Give me the likes, and then subscribe. Peace out, GG's, deuces.